Dried egg products are becoming increasingly popular in food service operations. That's because they are convenient to use and also provide a cost saving with regards to labor, storage, and portion control. These products are similar to shell eggs in nutritional value and in most functional properties. With coming to the options of variants, we have whole egg powder, albumin powder, as well as the yolk powder. With different applications in the food service sector, it can be kept at an ambient temperature, doesn't require much of the logistic issues. Advantages of using dried egg products: no product losses. When using shell eggs or liquid egg products, 3 to 5% of the product remains unused due to the losses within the package or the product expiry. But only dry egg products are used waste-free. It's not only about the shelf life. As I can see, I have 20 trays of eggs, and moving this 20 tray of eggs equivalent to 1 carton is as easy as just adding a water and getting my similar results in the kitchen. Increased shelf life, better logistics, and no hassle in the kitchen. Easy handling, blends well with other dry ingredients, consistent quality across the batch. Food safety, all egg products are pasteurized and that's why they are salmonella free. No temperature control. Egg powder doesn't require special temperature conditions during transportation and storage. It's always important to learn how to reconstitute an egg powder. We are using a whole egg powder where I'm going to use 1 ratio of egg powder and 3 ratio of water. The process here starts is, first put your egg powder into a bowl or a planetary mixer, how you're going to use it, and start pouring lukewarm water. The water consistency should be 50 degrees centigrade, the temperature. Start pouring into it. And also keep on mixing together so that there is no lumps formation. Always when you use lukewarm water, there is no chances of lumps formation and you get a consistency of the product which we require for our egg powder. Similarly, to do egg yolk, we will be using 1 part of egg yolk powder and 1 part of water for our applications for mayonnaise and other dishes. Similarly, using the egg albumin powder, which is the egg white, we will be using 1 part of egg white powder and 7 parts of water. Water has to be lukewarm when using for egg applications, and it all depends the ratio with the different recipes. Certain recipes can have 7 parts of water, certain recipes can have 4 parts of water. You have to do a little bit of research and development and get your product results to the perfection. Refrigerate any reconstituted egg powders between 0 degree to 4 degree centigrade and use within 24 hours. Also, store your egg powder at maximum humidity of 65% and ambient temperature. Pasteurized egg powders are the future of food service business, whether it's bakery, commercial catering, or any food service establishment. Go ahead with the convenience and ease of use.